everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple recipe. I'm going to be showing you how to make vanilla cake. The best thing about this cake is it's simple, it's homemade, and it's really yummy. So if you're new here, I'm Scovia, and let's get baking. In a large bowl, I'll add 1 cup softened margarine or butter, and I'll be using my spatula to mix. So I'll beat my butter for about 2 minutes until it turns pale yellow. So this is also a hand workout. It's been actually around 5 minutes. And as you can see now, my margarine is pale yellow. So now I'm going to add sugar. Then I'll mix until well combined. So I'll add 1 egg at a time. Then I'll mix. So now I'll add my second egg. Mix again. At this point, you make sure you incorporate as much air into the batter as possible. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix again. Making cake is so fun. So now I'll keep this aside. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you'll bake the cake for 40 to 50 minutes, depending on your oven, until golden brown. In another bowl, I'll mix my dry ingredients. I'll be serving 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to be using my fork to help me sieve my flour. Sieving your dry ingredients makes it easy not to have lumps in your batter. I'll add my flour in bits, and also I have 1 cup of milk, and I'll be adding also in bits. So now I'll mix. So as soon as you add the flour, you make sure not to overmix. So you'll mix a little bit. So what you do, you just fold in, don't overmix. I'll add a little bit more flour. Fold. Then I'll add my last flour. and you'll repeat until your batter is ready. So my batter is ready and it's so smooth. So I've greased my pan and lined it with parchment paper. So now I'm going to pour in my batter. Make sure to scrape everything. Nothing goes to waste. So I'll tap 2 times and my batter is ready to go into the oven. As you can see, it is looking amazing. So I hope you all try out this recipe, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So see you on my next episode. Bye bye.